Hello guys, Lockpicks Mechanic here today with ABS Master 3-star Euro cylinder. Here's the bitting, show you it working again. Let's get straight to picking this lock. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've got 3. Okay. Okay. We're in.
Tried to gut this lock, but as you've seen in a lock news video, it's very difficult to do. And I don't want to risk breaking this lock as it's a very nice and expensive lock. But if you can like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. It does help the channel out, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.